I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Shopify account has been suspended, don't worry, you can take steps to unlock it. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review the suspension email. Check your email for a message from Shopify regarding the suspension. This email usually contains details about why your account was suspended and what steps you need to take. Step 2. Address the issues. Once you understand the reason for the suspension, address any issues mentioned. This might involve updating your payment information, resolving chargebacks, or correcting policy violations. Step 3. Submit a support request. Go to the Shopify Help Center and submit a support request. Provide all necessary details, including your store name and the reason for your inquiry. Be polite and clear in your explanation. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for Shopify's support team to respond. This can take a few days, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't heard back within a week, consider following up on your request. Sometimes, support tickets can get lost or overlooked, so a gentle reminder can help. If you follow these steps, you should be on your way to unlocking your account. Good luck, and remember to keep your account in good standing to avoid future suspensions.